Well, hello and welcome to another Web Success News. Hi, this is Ken Freeman, and today the topic is ThinkCMS, Content Management Systems. Let me ask you this. Is your business website interactive or static? Does it allow you to manage your site easily without code, or does it require the services of a highly paid webmaster? As the story goes, before CMS, the task of uploading files and images to a website and updating the content was a tedious, time-consuming process. You either had to transfer everything manually using a browser-based uploading tool or an FTP program, and you could download the file you needed to edit, update, and then re-upload it to your server. It's hardly an efficient method of handling website content, and all the files you work with tend to make up a lot of storage space on the server. That's why a content management system, or CMS, is sometimes called the best friend of web developers. What is CMS? Well, the Wikipedia defines a web content management system as a software system used to manage and control a large dynamic collection of web material. Content managed includes computer files, images, media, audio files, electronic documents, and web content. Now, the idea behind the CMS is to make these files available as web content and through inter-office intranets, as well as completely over the web. A CMS would most often be used as an archive as well. Many companies use a CMS to store files in a non-proprietary form. Companies use CMS to share files with ease, as most systems use server-based software, even further broadening the file availability. Now, the advantage of a CMS are clear. Content management systems for websites make site management easier because it allows you to perform updates instantly without having to upload and re-upload your files. They also allow non-technical individuals, like your secretary or your staff member, to manipulate the contents using a what you see, what you get editor that is usually installed with many content management systems. And using it is really easy and simple. Once it has been set up and fully functioning, all that's left to do is for the content editors to upload the necessary documents, and that's it. Making use of the CMS also saves you a lot of space on your web server and allows you to display dynamic content on your website. Apart from allowing people to easily organize the files and images on the website, content management systems are also used for streamlining business processes and enabling safe and secure sharing within a company. A CMS makes content organization and publishing very simple thanks to several features. Within a CMS, you can easily schedule when your content will be published online, set permissions for each file in order to control access, and to allow you to edit web pages using rich text editors even though you don't have any knowledge of HTML. An important feature of a content management system is usability and how you can quickly integrate it into your system to work well with your existing website and its layout. Most content management systems have plugins that you can install in order to improve your site functionality. You will also find that some available systems can already create an editable template for your website, and others go as far as to allowing you to build your own site structure and layout. The interface also tends to be simple and user-friendly, with a lot of simple tools that make it easy for anyone to work with website content. So the key is how to choose the right CMS. Before buying, downloading, or creating your content management system, think about why you need one and what kind of a site you intend to set up. Do you plan to set it up for business? Is it for a webzine that would require you to publish articles on a regular basis? Maybe you want to set up an online store or a forum, or you would like to have a news site, or perhaps you simply want to set up a website as a hobby to post some pictures. Whatever kind of a website you may need, you will have to select the right CMS tool that will be capable of handling your needs. You also need to determine if your server supports databases such as MySQL or Oracle, which are needed for your CMS to function, and other hosting requirements. Presently, there is a lot of CMS software available. Some of them are used for commercial purposes and retail for thousands of dollars. There are open source software that provide a powerful set of features and capabilities, but which are free to use and can be easily installed on your server. It may require a little extra knowledge knowledge about how to set up a database and how to work with your CMS platform, so it might be best to enlist the help of a programmer. And if you already tested several content management systems and found them lacking in the features that you're looking for, you can also hire a programmer to create a system from scratch that is fully customized according to your specifications for your site requirements. But be prepared to spend several thousand, even tens of thousands of dollars if you go this route. In choosing the right content management system, you have to determine your needs as well as consider several other factors. If you want to regular software updates and good tech support, you might want to shell out a little bit more for a commercial CMS. The downside of commercial CMS is usually the cost, which really works against companies with a budget. Open source CMS, while usually reliable, provide a bit of a challenge when it comes to the product support. Product stability and security can be uncertain, especially since this kind of CMS doesn't usually have the regular team of developers devoted solely to its development and debugging. A custom CMS, meanwhile, scores big on the fact that it was built to accommodate your very specific specifications, but developing and improving its features as well as installing additional updates in the future may use up all of your resources and take lots of time to implement. It is always best to choose a content management system that is customizable from your admin panels and can be readily updated. That way your website can freely develop and expand and will be able to accommodate and manage all possible changes as your business grows. Need help? If you can't decide which content management system would be best to suit your needs, I invite you to download a copy of this report and contact us here at AWS Creative Solutions for more information about choosing the right CMS for your business solution. We have a number of CMS solutions including Storyteller CMS, My News Blog, Simple CMS, SiteCube, and other CMS solutions such as Jomia, Drupal, and WordPress. Content management system CMS is not new, yet not many business owners are fully aware of how this technology can help bring their business to the next level. If you are a website owner and still relying on your website designers to manage the website, realize it's time-consuming and costly. Here at AWS, we introduce various CMS solutions that you may find suitable for your business. Whatever your need, ask a web professional for help, and it will help save you headaches and heartaches and save you a great deal of unnecessary expense. Call us today, won't you, and get the right CMS solution for your specific business needs. Thank you for visiting with us, and thank you even more for listening to this Web Success News. Now tell a friend about Web Success News and listen next week as once again I will bring you Web Success News for your website. Thanks for listening.